Kyle, you're behind barbecue, and today we're making a green chili bacon mac and cheese stuffed fatty. All right, so we got our breakfast sausage out, and it's in a tube, so I put it out of the tube, and we're gonna lay it on the cutting board. Very easy. This is something, we go camping out by the lake, whatever we're doing. We want something quick and easy for breakfast. Well, this is our go-to. So I got green chili bacon mac and cheese here that I made the night before, so let's call it leftovers. So what I'm gonna do is take a handful of this, and I'm gonna stuff it inside of this sausage. So now I'm gonna peel the sausage up and just stuff it in between here. Kind of make a big old log, a sausage log. Stuff that mac and cheese in. Now you can literally stuff this thing with anything. Anything you want to do, eggs, cream cheese, ground up chicken, whatever you want, you can stuff this with. So now I'm gonna make a bacon weave. So I'm gonna lay out a couple pieces here. So for the bacon weave, we got 6 slices of bacon down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lift up every other one. Boom. Then I'm gonna lay a strip of bacon across and then fold these back down. Now we're gonna flip the others down in reverse and lay a strip of bacon across here. Fold these back like so. Then grab the other one again, lay another strip of bacon down. So you're gonna continue this process until you got a nice little bacon weave. So we're gonna go one more bacon and boom, bacon weave done. So what we're gonna do, now we're gonna grab this sausage. Now we're gonna slowly roll up the bacon. It's a tedious process. Slip it over like that, tuck her in. Gotta add more green chili bacon to it, so I'm gonna get our green chili bacon rub, sprinkle the crap out of this thing all the way around. So then you can just roll it, season. All right, I got my Green Mountain Grill fired up to 300 degrees. We're gonna go ahead and throw this sucker on there. Let's pull this bad boy off. All right, we got this sucker off. Let's start slicing her. Woo! Crumble it apart. Kyle, thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.